Hey guys, I'm Michael.
And I'm Miles.
And growing up, we just want to spend all of our time outdoors, whether it's mountain biking, skiing, camping, hiking.
So we came up with an idea and created the floating tailgate table.
In the year 2020, COVID happened and everything locked down. People started working remote and we realized we could work from anywhere.
So that's what we did. We left our home offices, hit the road, took advantage of every opportunity we can get by working remotely and experiencing the beautiful scenery around us.
But as soon as we started doing that, we ran into some issues, right? Like bringing a laptop and trying to work from the front seat of your car is not very practical. There's no room, there's no elbow space, there's no organization, and there had to be a better way to do this.
And I took a different approach. I bought a foldable table. Every time I'd set it up would be the first issue where I'd be bumping into the legs, spilling things, it would be on unlevel terrain. The second issue was that I just couldn't fit in the back of my car. As a sales rep, I had a lot of product and that would just get in the way.
And food was a problem. I mean, you couldn't eat over your computer. You don't want to mess up your computer while you're trying to work on it, obviously.
We think this product's really special because it hits a lot of key points while also being unique at the same time. It's portable, it's minimalistic, and that's something that we're really striving for. It can lay as flat as it could possibly be in the back of your trunk without taking up any space.
Not only is it perfect for remote work, but it's great for camping, tailgating, family picnics. Honestly, it's ideal when you need a hard surface and you're not at home. We created a honeycomb structure underneath the table, which creates internal stability while also getting rid of all the unnecessary weight. We also incorporated a lip on the edge of the table to prevent things from sliding off. And one of the most important aspects is that it's almost impossible to knock over. There's no legs to kick and it's attached to your car, so even if you do bump into it, it's not going anywhere. We have good drainage. We created grooves as a routing system.
And on top of that, it's compatible with almost any car. You don't need a trailer hitch, you don't need a roof rack. All you need is a bumper and you're good to go. Additionally, it's a simple design. There's no moving parts. It's flat, easy to store. Load all your stuff on top of it inside the trunk and you won't even know it's there. Personally, one of my favorite things about it, it's easy to clean. You just take one wet rag, wipe it twice, and you're done. And on the safety front, it has soft plastic edges around the perimeter. So if anyone bumps into it, you're not worried about getting hurt.
For those who share our love of existing in the outdoors, we hope you see as much value in this product as we do.
Yeah, and we're constantly ideating ways on how to improve this concept. This is only the beginning.